If you've received a ban on CapCut and believe it to be unjust, you can appeal the decision. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Review the ban notification. Carefully read the notification you received regarding your ban. Understand the reasons provided for the ban, as this will help you address them in your appeal. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant evidence that supports your case. This may include screenshots, messages, or any other documentation that demonstrates your compliance with CapCut's terms of service. Step 3. Access the support page. Visit the CapCut support page or help center. Look for the section dedicated to account issues or bans, where you can find information on how to submit an appeal. Step 4. Write your appeal. Compose a clear and concise appeal letter. Include your account details, a summary of the situation, the reasons you believe the ban is unwarranted, and attach any evidence you gathered. Step 5. Submit your appeal. Follow the instructions on the support page to submit your appeal. Ensure you provide all necessary information and double-check for accuracy before sending it. After submitting your appeal, be patient as you wait for a response from CapCut's support team. They will review your case and get back to you with their decision.